Good morning. Today is the 4th December 2015. This is the T line where we will identify very short-term trend, and this is 50-day simple moving average. This line. See, these crossovers are very important. You see, when the T line crosses above the 50-day simple moving average, there will be a bullish moment. And similarly, this T line crosses below this 50-day simple moving average, the bearish trend. So simply Nifty today is opened with a gap down. Yesterday it has given a decent signal for the downtrend. If you analyze this, this is the fall. It started from 3,812 to this all the way fall up to around this level. Yeah, this is a 7,725 kind of levels, and it retraced up to this and falling back. So if you analyze with the Fibonacci, so this is the lowest point. It went all the, it started falling from here, right? Okay, it started falling from 8,336 and took a support around 7,714 and retraced. Its retracement level is 7951. It's on a closing basis 7951. It tested 38.2% of this fall, and again it is falling down. So now we have to identify downside levels where the Nifty will take a minor support. First support is 7,714. It breaks. Then 7,567. This is the level to watch keenly, because this level also having a technical support here. From here to this area. So we can take 7,580 to 7,550. This is the best level to take support. This is the one of the key levels. Nifty may take good support from this level. Until this, the trend will go down. Only the confirmative uptrend will be 7,950 and above. Then only we can say the Nifty has turned a positive trend. Until 7,950 crosses, we'll assume that the trend will be on the downside only. And one more thing also we can identify. This is the fall here and tested the high. This fall significantly it will coming around 7,593. This is the extension of this fall with 61.8% extension level. And similarly, there is a support around 7,580 to 7,550. These are the key levels to watch out. So whenever you are trading on the levels, these are the levels to follow for the time being. For intraday setups, you have to use a separate level. This is for the swing and long-term trading, or maybe short-term trading for 10 days, 15 days for the series. If you see this series, this is the bottom and this could be the highest, 7,950. If you see the option data also, there is a lot of option writing happening around 7,900 and 8,000 or 8,100 levels, and simultaneously the put writing is happening around 7,500 and below that levels. So this is the total range for the series you can understand. So how to trade with the range? If Nifty comes to this range, you can take a long position. You can trade with a stop loss strictly below 7540 and take a long position and exit around 7720 kind of levels. So they will be getting a benefit of 130-140 points on the upper side. If you are taking on the short side, immediately don't jump and trade here. Once let the Nifty go to this level and test and fall, then only you can take a position, short position, keeping a stop loss just above this level. There is 7920 kind of levels. Keep a stop loss and trade for the short side with a target of 7720 is the first target, and the second target will be 7600 or 7580 kind of levels. This is the trade setup you can make and trade accordingly. These two important things is you understand the T line and also the 50-day simple moving average. Suppose if you are trading on a intraday basis, then we will see how it will work. This is the day chart. Now what we will do is I just change the day chart to hourly chart. This is the hourly chart of the Nifty spot. If you see yesterday, it has given a decent breakdown. So this is the level where you can go on shorting on an intraday basis. So when this T line crosses the 50 period simple moving average, then you can take a short position, right? Keeping a stop loss just above the 50 period simple moving average. That means if you are taking a short position yesterday, you could have taken around this area, around 7890 kind of levels, and keeping a stop loss above 7911 or 914 kind of levels, and keep on trailing your stop loss to this T line. So if you are still holding a short position, if you are taking a short position around 7890 kind of levels, and your stop loss should be above this T line, that means 7850 kind of levels. So even also if you want to take a short position today, let the bonds will come to this level, maybe around this, so 7838. So another 30 points, let it come up to 100 another 30 points and take a short position, keep a stop loss above this and trade for the short side. So using of this T line and 50 period simple moving average can work out very well. Here also the long position, you could have taken long position here. This is around 7820 and it all the way went up to 7950, 960 kind of levels. So this way you can trade even a swing position or intraday also.